Hi again, it's ApriLynn, and today we are gonna make some dinner. We are gonna make some spring rolls. I never had these before, so we'll see if I like them. I am gonna put in mine carrots. I'm gonna cut these up more. Cucumber. Cabbage. Pepper, green onion, and these noodles. So first I'm going to cook these because you have to cook these. Everything else I don't have to cook. Blah, 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 blah. We're going to rinse, boil for 2 minutes, and then fry out the liquid. If you've had these before, they're okay. They're not like... They don't taste like real noodles. Okay, they're in a pot with water and I'm gonna boil them. Now we have 8 million things to cut up. Right now I'm obsessed with like onions and green onions for no apparent reason. Besides that they're good. What color of bell pepper do you like best? Obviously red is sweetest, but it's also more expensive. Okay, peppers chopped. I only did half a pepper. I probably won't. I don't know how many I'm gonna make. Probably 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 100, I don't know. Okay, cabbage I don't have to cut up because I got the shredded one. This is gonna be so easy until I get to the wrapper part. Hopefully I can figure that out. Okay, cucumber. Little tiny baby. And I'm gonna cut in like strips because we're making a little burrito. Not really, but kind of. What's your favorite vegetable that you like can dip in a dip? I like cucumbers and broccoli. I also like bell peppers. Carrots are okay. They're kind of crunchy. What are you doing over there? Okay, now these are already small carrots, but I want like matchsticks, so I think I might like peel it a bit. I'm also gonna make the sauce because it has like 8 million grams of sugar in it. Carrots just take forever to chew. A lot of the recipes I saw had shrimp. I'm not a huge fan of shrimp. So we're just doing vegetables. If you watched my last video, my meal was pretty much all vegetables too. I eat meat, I'm just not like a huge fan of meat. Does that make sense? Like I like it, but I don't. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. You like it, but you don't. I'm insane. The noodles are boiling. I think I have everything cut up. Ooh, so quick, so quick, so quick. Cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, green onion, and cabbage is already cut up. Now I just have to wait for the noodles. Oh, I can make the sauce. Let's put this stuff away real quick. Okay, sauce. Peanut butter, water, soy sauce, honey, garlic, and sriracha. Saucy sauce, saucy sauce.
Let's take it slow, where you go.
Okay, it's a symbol time. I got the sauce made finally 10 years later. So we have these. Place water in warm water into pliable. Blot on damp towel. Place filling in the middle of wrapper. Fold over bottom and side. Deep fry. Okay, let's do this. Take out the paper. Apply and
I go to, and if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how.
Cabbage. Oh, that cabbage is so good.
You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown.
I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just, there's a hair. Winging it. I made a few burritos in my life. / egg rolls. Can't be too much harder than an egg roll.
Both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going.
This is so weird texture. Let's take a bite. Cut this in half.
Down with you, let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Let's try it. Ooh, so fresh. I like it. A little spicy. I probably shouldn't have put so much sriracha. I'm a little weakling when it comes to spice because it makes my stomach hurt.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
Probably not the most beautiful of spring rolls, but they're good. Okay, well, I'm gonna go eat this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.